Okie dokie, if I get this in focus, okay. Beko washing machine, and it's a WMP, there you go, 652W, and I've got a suspicion that the heater element has gone, so I'm going to pull it out, take the back off, have a quick look at it, and see if I can figure out if it is that. The belt came off not long ago, so this might be interesting. Someone who's had a belt come off one of these. It's pretty straightforward to put back on. Why did the belt come off? Someone overloaded the actual in there, and that ended up slipping, and the belt just jumped off. Okay, the other thing you got to remember down the bottom here, right down there in that, is your filter, and that needs to be cleaned periodically as well. A bit of muck on that, maybe I've been picking in the onions. Okay, so I'll pull him out and show you how to get to it. Okay, on the back of the machine, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws on this oval panel. Can you see that? I can't get too close, I can't get in close enough, it's too close to the wall. Okay, also please switch it off at the mains. Okay, don't unplug this when it's plugged in. So we've got the panel. When I was checking it, the belt hadn't damaged one of the wires, but doesn't look like it has. It looks like it's okay. You can get the, I've already found one, only about 9-10 quid, up to £19 if you want. Okay, so it looks like it is. This is the thermostat, but the only way to do it is to get one of them first. So I'll order one when it comes. I'll show you how to fit it. Or yeah, a bit of water. Okay, so I was going to test all this, but I've just been online and had a look on now as well. This is a NTC sensor which controls the whole unit and whatnot. To buy this separately is about 7 quid. The actual element itself is anything up to £19 from £9.99. So what I've done, I've gone and bought for £12 the whole unit with the NTC sensor as well. This is the heat sensor, so it's not worth. And you saw, you take this out, take this apart, you can test this on multimeter. No, just buy the whole. I'm just going to buy the whole unit. We know it doesn't heat up because I put it on at one point 90 degrees for some really good whites I wanted clean, and they came out cold and still dirty. So I know this is not working. And when the new one comes, I will fit it, and then we'll do a test, and then I'll show you as well. So it should be here like Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so I'll get back to you then, and we'll do another set, pull it back together again. Well, I won't. I'll show you how I change this, but for now I'm just going to tuck it back, and then okay, so the new one come with this, I can't know what they call it now, this TD unit, whatever it's doing. Will you focus there? Yeah. So the idea is, I think this nut is undone as much as it can, because this rubber here is what's holds it in. So turn the power off as well, turn the water off. So what you do, you undo that rubber, give it a bit of a tap, undo the knot, the bolt, whatever. There we go. Let me just take that up. So I'll undo that, give it a tap, and that should release the element. So I'm going to put the other one back on the same way as well. Okay, so I did turn the power off. I pulled the plug out as well. I was just testing if there's any residue power left. Right, how does that come out? Okay, there's a clip there. So there's a little clip at the back here. And that pulls out as well. And we've got the earth. Yep. Yes, on more than the rest. I'll give that a bit of a pinch. Right, so we can't go wrong really. Okay, just in case you're interested, that earth, can you see that? Ooh, too far, hold on one sec. There. I can zoom in. Just use a little screwdriver, lift it up, because it goes into a pinhole in the top of the earth thing. So you have to lift that little clip up and it comes out then. Okay. 10mm socket. Don't take it all the way off. Probably to the end. Whether any water's going to come out, I don't have a clue because it's all been dry. We finished it now. Okay, and then we can give it a bit of a tap. Just go in. Nothing on there I want to keep. There we go, that's in. And then we've got to prise it out a bit. So it's been in a while. Oh, here we go. Here we go. If there's any damage or not, I do not know, but it's a nice colour. Okay. So, reverse rolls. Whoops, I beg your pardon. Okay. Looks like it sit on a shelf or something. Ah, there we go. Nope. Does it? Tell you what, I'm not going to put that in yet. I'm going to have a look inside and see what's in there. So bear with me. Okay, that's what's inside. So have a quick look how that connects to that in there. Can you see that? So turn that. So when you're pushing it back in, you can, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the oval bit, which I'll show you on this one. So those slide between. Okay, so as you push it in, you can see it slides between there. There we go. Sorry, I just got attacked by a big spider. I had a walkabout on my face. Suppose you don't tend to use your washing machines, move them much, do we? Let's have a look at that. Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty. Don't go mad, just enough. I mean, you'll check. That's enough. That's enough. Once it's running, you'll probably check for leaks anyway. Okay, he's in. That's locked in. Back on. Of course, because it's in a different way, but it can only go back in one way. Okay, that's it. And that's it. We're done. Okay, right. So that's a new element back in, and it came with that part as well, which was I think £12 altogether, £12.99 or something, delivered. Just while we're here, we had this belt come off one day, and it's pretty straightforward to put back on. If you find your washing machine is not doing anything, just spin it because someone overloaded the drum, and it just flipped off. So I put it back on again. It doesn't come off since. All right, so I'm going to put the panel back on. Put the water back on. Excuse me, I'm lying down. Yeah, and then so this pipe has been under a lot of pressure, not water pressure. Look at it, it's got a twist in it, and I don't know how come. Anyway, so what's happened is the other end, this end, focus, as you can see, it's pulled it, and it's been leaking. It's been leaking for some time. We didn't notice, but you don't under a washing machine and a freezer. Anyway, so just change that. I pinched the one out my lad's in the garage. He doesn't know till he watches this video, but I will replace it. Okay, so time for giving it a test. Okay, just mop it up, any water residue. So fitting time, I'll have a look in a minute, 2 seconds, I'll see how long it's took me. All together with fitting the pipe, cleaning up, wiping the floor, finding the tools, pulling everything out, I'd say an hour. pretty good going. So I'm going to give it a test. So I'm going to give it a nice 40-degree wash. I'm just going to show you, because I haven't seen what happens when you do this. This is what's happening inside your washing machine when you tighten it up. Can you see that? See the rubber? You pull it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. It's squashing. And what it does, it forces itself against the inside.
For a seal.
For a seal. And that's what it is. It's squeezing the seal in. So that's how it works. There you go. Even I wanted to know that. Whether you did or not, you do now. Okay, thanks very much. Oh, we're going to see if it gets warm first. Anything? Not yet. I better add me that. Can't be anything else I can think of. Right.
Switch?
No, there's no switches there. Anyway. Okay, so final test. It's warm. So that solved the problem. I was getting a bit worried then. I know, we'll have some clean clothes. Now, they were clean, but they weren't. I tried to do some whites and it doesn't get them white. So that's brilliant. That's working. So there you go. This is a Beko. Okay, and I think the Element fits a number of machines. So this is a Beko. Where are we? WMP 652W. All right. So yeah. Woohoo! Love it. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and the subscribe button, notification bell is over here, and upcoming videos, so you know where they are. Take care. Thank you guys. See you later. Take care. All the best. Bye.